Today on Slightly Modified Garage, Garrett
Merry
gets to open everything exactly like Christmas because I know what I ordered, but he hasn't seen it. Now, Sickspeed sent us, Sickspeed sent us a box full of stuff. They were supposed to have a bunch of sponsorship stuff in it.
This is not from Sickspeed.
Yeah, currently it does not have sponsorship stuff in it. Maybe it's coming in a different box. I don't know, maybe it was 2 different deliveries. But this is the stuff I ordered from Sickspeed for the pig. This, however, this is a giant box of free courtesy stuff from PowerStop. Now, I do know that there is a brake kit in there that will fit our car. There may be other stuff in there. I really don't know. Imagine, at best case scenario, there's a hat or some stickers or maybe a shirt or something in there. But you never know. There might be a little tiny person in there. Oh, I guess we're about to find out. Oh, all right. He's opening that. So, yeah, by the way, shout out to PowerStop. Thank you, Chris at PowerStop, Killer, everybody over at Sickspeed. You know, thanks for this because it's all good quality. I've seen it. It's all good stuff. It's very pretty. And we'll thank you again when...
I'm struggling here.
Oh, man. Yeah. It's so happy.
Don't open it.
No, that's still, man.
Don't tell me. I gotta
Shush.
open
Well, I mean, yeah, that's whatever.
it. Open it, but
Okay.
don't tell me.
What we got here? Oh, yeah, you knew what that was. You've just never seen it.
Yeah.
All right.
I don't know how this thing even works.
Well, pull the tape off. Yeah, that's the...
Oh, yes.
Yeah, that's the quick disconnect. And then we've got the hub, the neochrome hub that goes onto that, which goes onto the purple and black DRD. I forget the steering wheel, whichever one I bought.
It says drifting on it.
Well, yeah, but the brand is in the middle of it. They were having a special. It was like 30% off, so I just snatched it up. I was like, oh, purple, that'll do. All right, so,
Oh,
okay.
Losing bolts and nuts already.
Easy.
God, this guy.
Shut
All right.
up.
You don't gotta, yeah, you don't gotta put it together now. Come on.
I want to know.
It doesn't, it's, you already know what it do.
It's Christmas,
Makes me
man.
angry.
You don't unbox the toys. You just move on to the next
Yeah,
one.
exactly.
I was that kid that
Well,
unboxed everything.
You don't get to be that kid today. You get to go into the Sickspeed bar.
I'm gonna pout about it.
I'm gonna
What is
kick you in
this?
your leg.
These condom-looking things.
Those are our spark plug insulators. Yay, purple spark plug insulators, because our spark plugs fall nefariously close to our super hot headers, which we'll be getting wrapped in probably 6-speed thermal wrap, but currently, this will do.
Actually, need to get me some of those for the vet.
Yep. Well, I have code for you, my friend.
Yes.
Cool.
Yeah.
I like
All
it.
right. So, yeah, I was trying to prevent, and we'll get better, you know, colored wires eventually, but the ones that are on there now are brand new and they work fine, so. Those are reservoir insulators. So one goes on the brake master and one goes on the clutch master. They're basically just decorative and they cover up the ugly plastic.
But I like the plastic.
Also, I'm pretty sure I'm going to be ordering a set of those for just wristbands.
I was about to
My
put it
mo-
on my wrist.
Oh, yes. That's middle school, man.
Yeah, no, that's called Ben's got sweaty forearms because he had a crazy surgery back in the day, which probably I'll go ahead and omit that out of the video.
Cool.
So now my forearms rain sweat like water. Okay, all right, so.
That's enough of that.
In real life, those are 6-speed reservoir koozies that basically decorate your clutch master, clutch reservoir brake gap.
Daddy Ben has told me open the white box last, so
Yeah.
now let's open this.
Maybe don't ever call me that again.
Do what I want.
Feels weird.
Ooh, it's
Now,
shiny.
there was a time when he was like, neochrome, wah.
Yeah, but it doesn't have that. I'm not gonna say that.
I like that. Damn, that's nasty right there, son.
Please understand how fire that's going to be with the valve cover. Wow,
Oh, yes.
I was not pointing the camera at the whole time. So there you go. Wow, you've looked through and put on every single thing that you pulled out of the box so
It's
far.
cool. I like
He
to.
looked
I
through
like
the steering
to
wheel thing. He looked
examine
through those. He put them on his
my
fingers like Freddy.
Excuse me for being inquisitive.
Hey, man, I'm just saying. That box right there, that's the creme de la creme.
Ooh, it's heavy.
Yes, it should be. Don't get that. There's things in there that you don't want to ding
It
up.
says color Neo. I wonder what it is.
I bet you don't.
What is this?
Alright. First and foremost, just take it home. No gold. I made sure of it.
Gonna paint these.
I got the least amount of gold that I could possibly get. That is our new tow bar.
Yes.
Heavy duty.
Oh shit, that's
Yeah.
cool.
Yes, that's our new tow bar. Heavy
This
duty,
whole time he's sitting like, what
neochrome.
is
I'm
it?
like,
And
like,
here's
what
my
is this? Am I
favorite
supposed
part.
to untie the
Here's
nut
my
or something?
favorite part. You know how you hated when my tow hook was straight up and down like this?
That one mounts flat.
No, it doesn't.
Damn it!
You have no choice. Straight up and down, buddy. Oh no, scratchies. And these are neochrome plug wire guides, basically those little plastic things that we all
Oh,
painted
yeah.
up and everything.
I like it.
These go with that.
I like that.
These are hefty bolts.
The everything when I picked that up, I was really surprised at how sturdy that was.
Oh wow.
Yeah.
That's pretty hefty. I can already see it. These boys are getting a lot of my money soon. I can already see this happening.
Yeah, they have every little accessory that you need to make your car pretty. Plus, some other pretty great stuff. They sell full hydraulic e-brake handle kits, so like billet e-brake handles in different colors like that neochrome that you can get and then hook them up to these, you know, which works out well. All right, so
On to the big one.
yeah, PowerStop time.
This is heavy, so.
Oh, yeah, I don't know what's in the bottom. I don't know how.
I spy.
Oh, you know what we didn't do?
Oh yeah. 6-speed.
Need that. There we go.
Oh yes.
Oh wait.
That'll do.
Send more stickers.
Give me a shirt like this.
Yeah,
6-speed.
well, I've seen what the sponsor box comes with, and there's like 20 of those, and different ones too. There's like this branded up one. All right, what we get here? This is the, I believe these.
Are these any good PowerStop?
These are the
Carbon
Z20.
fiber ceramic.
Yeah, I believe you said they're the Z26. Are they the carbon ceramic ones?
Yeah.
Yeah, cool.
Yeah, that.
Yeah, carbon ceramic.
Nasty guys there, man.
I think pretty sure the same ones I have in mine, or maybe I have the Z23. I don't remember. It's been a while.
Well, I like them.
I hope so.
And it's gonna be front and back rotors. Give me that
All right.
utilitarian knife.
Cross-drilled slotted. Sometimes the Z26, I see the pictures of it, and they don't run the cross-drilled slotted for some reason. Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Get the money.
Oh man, those things are banging.
Front passenger side. Can we paint these?
We'll tape off right here and just paint this part.
No.
No. Why do I hate you all of a sudden?
Are we sure that's everything there? Just making sure?
Yep.
Oh, that's fine. Oh, there's two there.
No, I just one per box.
I do. It's everything. Huh?
Okay, that's fused.
All right. All right. So the car's gonna be stopping fantastically.
Very soon.
Yeah. So that's pretty fantastic. I'm gonna go out here, and just in case you happen to catch this video, but you've never seen any of the other videos, this is where that's going, right there. All that happiness will be going on the Pig, and we'll definitely be making a full install video for the brakes, and we will be doing install videos for all the little trinkety stuff that we bought from Sickspeed as well.
Now, where does the tow hook go?
I'm trying to remember if that's the front or the back tow hook. I want to say it's the rear tow hook actually, so it goes up underneath here somewhere. Oh, I guess okay. He's like, we are putting things on.
I haven't seen the valve cover yet.
Oh.
YouTube's seen the valve cover yet.
Yes. Pull up.
Oh yeah, you can see it.
Right here, a little bit of this funk right here is burning off onto it, so I gotta sand it down and remove that.
Scooter booter, yeah.
Well, it would look good if we just sanded down the top of the ridges.
I
disagree.
And
That's
he's
not
the
my
only
cars.
one. He's the only one that disagrees with that.
I figure we do the same thing with this.
Yes, Lord.
That'll look good.
Preach, preach.
'Cause then
preach.
you can
Sometimes
dang
you
to see
go
what
to
it is.
church. Sometimes Ben's right. Most of the time Ben's right.
Oh yes, I think that would look very good.
Because so does everybody else.
Wow, your dang master cylinder reservoirs are really little.
Yeah, man.
I am not used to that at all. I'm used to the big metal.
Wait
ones.
until we funky like gold or purple wrap the headers. You see the gold hardware? Oh, by the way, I'm just going to go ahead and admit this because I think it's funny. Neither one of you guys know this. I just hadn't brought it up yet. Bought this password JDM off of Amazon. Should have known since it was half the price as a pit bull cap that it was not a real password JDM. Tagged password JDM on Instagram. Took them about 5 seconds to find the picture and promptly informed me that that is a fake password JDM. I spent the next hour helping them track down the company that sold it to me, thinking possibly password JDM would think my time was worth sending me one of their $40 caps since I got screwed over on one of these.
Yeah.
But guess what happened? I spent all my time helping Password JDM, and they didn't send me shit. They didn't even act like they were going to. So
It doesn't fit.
it might be for
I'd like to-
any. It's for any reservoir. They're not really specific to anything. You could probably throw it on the
It's empty.
washer one over there if you wanted to.
It's empty.
It's supposed to be.
That's the overflow, my friend.
Yeah, I thought you were supposed to have some in it already.
I don't know.
Pretty sure it's supposed
Tell
to.
us, internet. Is it supposed to have stuff in it?
Yes.
I don't. I mean, we actually we did.
I'm pretty sure it's supposed to be like that right here. That way it takes and gives as it gets hotter or colder.
Maybe. I don't know.
That's how all the other ones work.
Look at how's he gonna put it? You know, he's so pumped to put it on,
It doesn't.
and then puts it on El Crooked.
I think it would look better sideways because in the cross. Where's the cross brace at?
Oh, it's in there, but the bolts are. Well, one of them is. Well, probably over there somewhere in the fender, and the other one is. Well, it's at my house because I took it out of my pocket when I
Then we
changed
can go
my
to
clamps.
Lowe's.
Well, I don't have the other bolt is at my house. It's not in my. I'd say it was in my jeans. So I was just gonna grab it tomorrow. I didn't think
We're in
we
no
were gonna.
rush.
Yeah, exactly. All right. So other things we can put on. Oh. Hey, buddy. Come on. You know what we're doing? Putting on that steering wheel.
I don't know what I'm doing with the steering wheel, so we're gonna figure out how to make this work. What's going on? What are you doing?
That's your mounting cone.
The what?
It's too big.
Oh no.
No fits. Tried that adapter, but then it's like.
We're gonna
really,
make
really
it
big.
fit. Uh oh, it doesn't fit.
Unless. Try one more thing. Maybe we can make this some bitch go in there. Oh shit.
I think that's probably how it's gonna go. Potentially, maybe.
See, that's a piece to go in it to make it smaller, but ours is not that small. But maybe I can just get it.
Hey, big girl, can you back it
Oh,
up? Slide it on in there. Up,
in
and it's
there.
just pushing it on in.
come on now, get in there.
Get it on, little doggy.
You want to?
Hey, this motor is warm.
Yeah, because you were driving it like you stole it.
What's the point of owning something like this?
Exactly.
You don't do that.
You damn right. Come on, get on there, you son of a bitch. Oh, oh.
Spit on it. Probably should cut that one out.
Damn it.
That's close enough.
No, knuckles. Hang on. If I loosen this up just a tad bit, it might help. Just
Usually,
a
whenever you
wee
loosen
bit.
things up, it does help out
a little
tremendously. Oh, now you done goofed. Why am I recording you working on my car?
bit. I don't know.
Get to work.
I'm just glad to be part of the team, man. I'm accepted.
Yay! For the first time ever.
There she
That's
is.
on, man.
There she's home. She's home.
Get this thing out of the way. It's so shiny and pretty. And it doesn't match the rest.
About nicked a finger. I'm bad about messing up this finger, man.
Yeah, Corey
fucked
messed
it up
himself up.
Just
He's like, he's got like
It's all good though.
the super scabies going on. All right.
Wait. Fingerprints, hang on.
Yeah, we need some metal polish now or something.
Oh, wait, hang on. Merch plug.
Uh-oh. Tallahassee Cars and
description.
Coffee.
We gotta get a website set up so we can do that link down below type shit. Just like everybody else.
No way, email us.
Email us. We'll probably send you one, I'm sure.
Yeah, probably, maybe.
Price
Definitely
check
if you
for
pay
that.
us.
Yeah, send
If
us
not,
about
probably
500
not.
bucks. We'll give you a shirt.
Yeah. Maybe. All right, I'm going to get back in the car
You know, we could do
and hang out with what?
Straight giveaway.
Shut up.
Talk about it.
And then we're gonna go talk to that guy in there. Oh my God. Yeah, he's in there.
Air filter fence. Finally.
Yeah, and
That's
we're gonna
nasty,
figure
though.
out if we can put the steering wheel on. We'll be back.
Oh, that air filter makes me so happy. The red makes me very unhappy, but the filter makes me very happy. Sickspeed. It did ass matches with the.
Gonna go ape shit.
Cool. Let me show you all the pretty stuff while they struggle with our quick release.
That looks a lot better.
Look.
Yeah.
Neo Realm.
You could do purple.
Super happy. Yeah, you see